दोस्तों, good morning once again. It's Arun here, your host and host, with another talk on a topic which I am pretty sure is going to help you a lot in getting clarity in your life. And I'm pretty sure that if you just take one action based on what we are going to talk about, your life is going to change for the best of reasons. Yes, this is possible. So दोस्तों, सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट बात यह है कि हम अपनी जिंदगी में कैसे लोगों को अपना आइडियल मानते हैं, वैसे लोगों को जो पहले से बने हुए रास्ते पर चल रहे हैं, या ऐसे लोगों को जिन्होंने नए रास्ते बनाने की ठान ली है. Are we following the kind of people who are walking on a well laid out highway, or the ones who have dared to jump into a direction where there is no path? It's full of obstacles, jungle. It's full of the roaring sound of wild animals, and in the process they leave a trail behind them. Once again, a person who is walking on a highway which is already laid out, or the one who has got the guts, courage, fearlessness, inspiration, motivation, and energy to walk on a field without any pre-laid out path, and he leaves a trail behind him. Which person has got more influence on your thought process? Think it over. Let's take a pause. Let's take another subject. Always remember one thing. Any person who has made any change in this world, any person who has paved the path for others to lead a happy, successful, and an amazing life belongs to the second category. एक छोटा सा एग्जांपल लेते हैं. मेरे बचपन के दिनों की बात है. मुझे याद है उस समय सिर्फ 3 तरह के प्रोफेशन हुआ करते थे मोस्टली, और मैं भी 4 तरह के: मेडिकल, engineering, civil services, and teaching. Professors and teachers. And of course, the first 3 used to be the most sought after profession. And that's what I recall from my childhood days. दोस्तों, आज तो प्रोफेशंस की कमी नहीं है. You can become an author, a singer, an anchor, a mass media communicator, a journalist, a copy editor, a motivational speaker, and you can become an e-commerce professional. You can become a supply chain expert, a warehousing expert, a transportation expert, a logistics expert. I don't know. There is no end. Fashion designing, modeling, acting. There is no end. It's the reality. Just imagine when there would have been the first vacancy in any profession other than the first 4 professions which we spoke about, the traditional professions. When there was the first vacancy in a profession called, say, copy editing, or in the profession of e-commerce, or journalism, or in the profession of modeling, fashion designing, painting, or in the profession of, say, mass media, just imagine the people who might have applied for this vacancy must be having a lot of fear in their heart and mind, and nobody from their surrounding, including people from their family, from their neighborhood, from their teachers, from the community of their coaches or teachers or mentors, would have advised them to take up this new profession. But it is because of this fearlessness and courage which these people have shown that today all these professions have opened up into a huge source of employment and prosperity for millions of people. Just imagine, friends, had these initial few people not mustered the courage to get into these professions, to make a difficult decision to get into these professions, they would not have been able to open up such a huge opportunity for the masses to follow today. This is amazing. This is one thinking which I would like each one of you to mull over. Think it over. दुनिया में जब भी किसी ने ऐसा कुछ किया है जिससे लाखों करोड़ों लोगों का भला हुआ है, उसने हमेशा पहले से बनाए हुए हाईवे को छोड़कर एक ऐसे पाथ पर चलने का डिसीजन लिया है जहां पहले से बना हुआ कोई रास्ता नहीं है, but while doing so the person has gone on cleaning the bushes, putting some kind of soil in place, and he has left a trail behind him. And then what has happened is that many other people, they have started watching him, the same people who might be laughing at him earlier, but now these people have started watching him, and then they start following him on this trail. और ये जो पगडंडी है, ये पगडंडी एक बड़े मजबूत रास्ते में परिवर्तित हो जाती है. And then you have got new sources of income, new sources of employment, new sources of engagement, meaningful engagement being created for lakhs, millions, and crores of people. So whenever at any point of time in your life you are surrounded by doubts whether you should do something which your heart knows is the right thing for you, but you do not see people supporting you, always think about these people over last few decades who had the courage to choose a new path. And it's because of these people that we all are leading a life which is much more fulfilling than the life millions of people would have been leading otherwise. For example, today I am making this video and you are watching this video is because of the fact that somebody had the courage to create a new system or new uh, technology called internet, called webinars, called Wi-Fi, called new technology called a laptop which can be smart, which can be connected to internet through Wi-Fi. And then through this I can broadcast my message, this video across the world. Now it is these people, they are the people who are the flag bearers. It is these people who are the flag bearers for the society to progress, for the society to become greater, for the society to become stronger. It's not those people who had been walking on the traditional path. In no means, by no means, I'm trying to say that anybody who has been walking on the path which has been traditionally designed is not doing service to the nation, to the world. But what I'm trying to say is that the people who have exploded the roads of opportunity for millions new people to follow, for millions new people to get a meaningful source of income while doing something which they love and while still pursuing their dreams and passion, are the people who are the true flag bearers for the transformation, for the beautiful Big Bang change in the world. Because these people are widening the scope. They are the people who are helping us grow this universe, this planet Earth. And you should never have any doubt if you also take a decisions to do something which other people, most other people have not been able to do. Always think of the faces of some of these people who have been the path breakers, who have been the leaders in true sense, and have the self-belief to decide to walk in the woods where there is no path, but be sure that you are going to leave a trail behind you. That conviction, that ability to do hard work, that fearlessness, that courage, and that amazing energy and enthusiasm has to be there within you. If you have any doubt, talk to me and we shall have some meaningful interaction over a weekend. Take care. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate it. Please share this video with your friends, with your well-wishers, with your family members, because in that way you are also provoking some people to think differently. You are also becoming a channel to spread this message which is gradually going to make this world better, bigger, happier, more energized, more positive, healthier, richer, wider, stronger, newer. Thank you so much.